Alright, what's up YouTube? So today Ryan's already here, Blaze is here. He's got the trailer as my camera fixes itself. Loaded out the bikes of the trailer. We're going to ride an area today because it's a last minute ordeal. Ryan's gonna come over here and load the bike for me because you gonna load the bike, Ryan?
Oh, you got it.
Ryan, you got it.
I can't.
Okay, so we're gonna get the bike loaded up and get to area, get a little bit of riding in today since it's like 50 and sunny, so make the most of the day. Grab his hand.
Oh, that sounds terrible.
I'm just gonna leave it like this. Is that alright?
Yeah, that's fine. Just leave it like that.
It's not gonna go anywhere. We got Ryan. I told you Ryan was gonna load the bike for me.
I didn't load it, I strapped it.
Same thing. He's got my 250, his 125 that Blaze is gonna ride, and then obviously his 250. We still gotta stop at the store and get what? You gotta get oil or something? Air filter. Bring in the pit or two. Pit bike Django right now, you can't figure out how to load the pit bike. Just throw him in there, lean him over, turn the gas off.
We don't have...
Put him on. Vegas just shut up. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm just driving around.
Well, apparently Ryan couldn't load the bike in the trailer for some reason, so he took everything out of the back of the truck with the cap, as my camera freezes, that's sick, to load it in the back. Why, dude? Because literally makes no sense.
I haven't stopped at the store to get more wheel chocks.
What?
I haven't stopped to the store to get more wheel chocks.
Okay. You could just put it up against the wall.
Nah, dude, I don't have enough tie down.
Alright.
And he's bad and all. Oh, why didn't you on that side?
Blaze still has a torn ACL.
So, now it's in gear. Oh, bullshit. Alright, Joe.
This is stupid.
Nah, dude, how's...
I don't want to bring it. It's annoying. It's too loud.
Too loud?
Doesn't like to start.
Go get a brand new one.
You already know I gotta get the Tim Hortons this morning. Alright, we're pulling up to the track. There's absolutely nobody here right now. Just Dave, and Dave isn't even here. Just his camper's here. Haven't been here in a little while, but should be good. Looks like he even tilled the whatever, the driveway, the laneway. I don't know what to call it, but. Alright, so taking a look at the track. Doesn't look too muddy from here. We're gonna go take out the pitters. I didn't know they threw my damn pit bike in here. We're on the road. I'm like, yeah, I didn't need my pit bike. They threw it in here. I didn't want to take it, but I guess I'm gonna take it now. We're gonna go ride around the track before we unload everything. Dave's still gotta be here. Look at how rusty that chain is right now.
Oh my gosh.
I forgot to lube it after Joe washed it.
Dude, your clutch
so shot. I need a new chain anyway.
Doesn't even work.
What do you mean?
It stops right there.
Oh
like
my.
It's like a front brake.
It's this piece. It's this piece. See?
Yeah.
That nut came off.
Holy.
Now it's shot.
Just get a brand new one, dude.
Well, of course, we forgot to stop and get gas for the 125, so we're gonna have to go back out because that's literally empty. So I'm gonna go back to the store, get some gas. I think I brought a little. There should be enough gas for me in there. But of course, we're always forgetting something. It's always literally something. Dave forgot his knee braces to drive all the way back home another 30 minutes. What are you gonna do? First ride of the season, kinda. The pit bike scenario. Can you even get it out like that? Barely. This thing's all clicking now. Listen to this thing. Kinda. I don't know if you can hear it. It definitely doesn't sound like what it was before from riding it the other day in the mud. Get all these bikes unloaded and whatnot. Just checked out the track. It's a little muddy, not too bad. Should be fun regardless though. Get all the bikes out, then go and get gas. And yeah, I got enough gas for myself. Probably enough for today though. Alright, got back from getting gas, get the bikes warmed up, get our gear on. Blaze is gonna have some issues with this tire, especially with the mud. Ryan still got. No, your tires are still pretty fresh though. They're still the originals, but well, so are mine. But still. Blaze over here on the 125. If I have a picture of his knee, like probably what do you say, 2 weeks ago? Yeah, about 2 weeks ago, I'll put a picture on the screen right here from when we were at club. He just dabbed his knee down. A doctor's appointment like a week or so to see if he tore his ACL meniscus in his knee, but he's still out here riding. Still hasn't gotten knee braces yet, but it'll be all right. At least get like 2 laps in and call it, you know? Just enough. So we just did a couple laps out there. Dave's gonna try out the forearm strung that I got. It did help a little bit. I'm gonna try it again. You're supposed to do it before you start riding. I did it for like 10 minutes to stretch out my forearms and whatnot. So it seems to be working. I know you gotta do it a little bit for your body, maybe to get used to it, I don't know. It was worth a shot, so I ended up getting it because I have chronic arm pump. It's so You roosted me so bad. I just closed my eyes, the camera's alright, but you roosted me so bad, I did not expect it. Ryan's gonna flip about me leaning his pit bike over, guarantee it. What's up? You feeling good? No. You still got arm pump? Dave's trying out that forearm strung, so you should try it. But I think you gotta do it before you ride, I don't know. Regardless, give it a try. It was windy. There's a big couple of gusts of wind that'll push you, but don't hit that outside. It's like where he didn't tilt. Huh? It's so hard packed. That's why he slipped out before.
That's why I took the inside.
Yeah. You should be good though. We're gonna change up sections. Maybe go do the finish or something.
I want to hit it side by side.
Okay. Sketch! That lip is, I don't know. I wouldn't want to be doing that, but Blaze is sending it, so I guess it's possible. We could do it. How'd the forearm strong work?
So far, so good.
Good, really? That was sick.
Dude.
You need a Traction MX seat cover on there. I don't know what you're doing, dude.
Yeah, I'm waiting on you. That's what I'm doing.
It looks so much better.
Oh, I know it would.
Bike switch.
Like that?
You haven't ridden this thing yet.
Haven't ridden two-stroke on a track at all.
First ride on it for you, at least. Literally rode the Yamaha for like 30 seconds and just sends it. Literally 30 seconds on the bike. He's never ridden it before. So this is Ryan's first ride on his 125 and Blaze's first ride on Ryan's 250 because Blaze didn't have his bike and he's just using Ryan's for the day. But Blaze can just hop on a bike and then instantly be comfortable. I do not understand. Taking out Ryan's 125. Blaze was right. This thing, just riding it maybe, how long do you think you rode it for? Like not even an hour? 30 minutes? It's already like below half tank. I think I checked it because you never know. Just for the day. I mean, maybe ride what, another 45 minutes? But it's not my bike, so. Ryan, how much you want to sell it for? 4 grand for this? Yeah, okay. Something I gotta get used to. way different than my 250. I'm gonna get so much flack in the comments right now for the way I'm riding this. I'm sure there's gonna be some professional, whatever, 2-stroke riders, 8-class riders that are gonna talk smack that really just ride minis, but I do not care. I'm just having fun. Oh.
What do you think?
I don't know what I'm doing on this thing. I don't know, it's just something you gotta get used to. I'm not used to like riding that thing. Woo! Kid with the hood up, he looks like those mannequin heads that the kid put in his hoodie. That's what it looks like from behind. Pull your head back.
I know.
Woo! Did I? Dave got the final clips of me and Ryan riding. Got both Ryan's bikes loaded up here. Get mine loaded. Got all our gear off. Figure all this crap out. And head out. It's about to rain for sure. It's super, super windy. Definitely gonna rain here soon, but we're heading out. And, couldn't be better. Nobody crashed. Bikes didn't blow up. And Blaze's knee is decent. Decent.
Not the best.
But yeah. Got all the cowies. Cowie. Oh my, and then the 2 Yamahas, but bikes.
Yamahas right now than cowies.
No. Ryan's persistent. I just hit my head on that thing. Persistent about loading this bike with 1 ratchet strap in here because they were demanding me bringing my pit bike. I don't know why. I literally rode it for maybe 5 minutes.
Back fender, dude.
Shot.
Was it worth it?
It's ticking. This thing's gonna blow up, I feel.
It's all crooked.
It is. Yeah, the back fender's all, because I'm missing a bolt on there. Alright. Now we'll load the hitters in here. Alright. Don't lift your truck, kids. Don't lift your truck. It won't even. Will it fit? Dude,
yeah.
Go. Oh, it's got to pull out the tailgate step.
Just had to be that fancy.
Just had to be that guy. Dude, we're struggling. 2 guys trying to load a hitter in the truck. Pain, dude.
Screw this
pain. Alright, let's go. Alright, we just got back to my house. Get my bike all unloaded and whatnot. Oh, it's just my boots that fell over. Pit bike unloaded. And then Ryan's gonna go. I was gonna clean the bike tonight. I don't feel like doing it. I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow. Because it looks like it's gonna rain here. Oh, shoot! The 125 fell over. That's what the noise was. This thing's old. This thing is pouring gas. We heard this like 10 minutes ago fall over. Yo!
What?
No way.
Oh my. I knew I heard something.
Dude, there's so much gas.
Blaze! Tighten it.
Ryan strapped it. Blaze for doing it.
Blaze!
Right, we gotta open it. Oh my, it's a puddle in there, dude. Literally a puddle.
You clean it up, it's your fault.
I am not cleaning it. You can just hose it.
You can just hose it.
Yeah, it could have been worse. Both the bikes could have fell.
Dude.
Ryan literally called. He's like, hey, I think something fell in the trailer. Like, nah, it's good. It's good. I come in here. I didn't even see it at first. I walked in. I only saw the 2 first bikes. And then, yeah, that sucks. He's definitely going to have to hose all that out because it's so... The whole area back there is soaked. We just got to Ryan's house. They're cleaning up the bikes. Ryan already cleaned his up right there. Blaze is cleaning up the 125 since he rode that. Now that's the only way to get it out. You're literally pouring the whole bottle on there, dude. Alright guys, so I'm heading home from Ryan's house. If you guys enjoyed it, you guys like the two-stroke action, I tried to get a little bit more of GoPro in there. So if you guys enjoyed it and you guys are new, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.